Guys, the price of Bitcoin is currently at almost $16,000, so this is the perfect opportunity for you to start earning Bitcoin with these free websites that I'm about to share with you. Free Bitcoin every 60 minutes. I'm going to reveal a few Bitcoin mining websites that I have just discovered and you can use for absolutely free in order to make some spare cash online. Now, the major advantage here is that all of them are available worldwide, so it doesn't matter which country you live in, you're still able to use them as long as you have an internet connection and a mobile phone or a personal computer. I'm also going to share a few tips and tricks that are going to improve your profits and maximize your results. So if you're interested in that, make sure you watch this video until the end and follow along. The first website I want you guys to connect to is called coinbase.com, and we're going to use it for two different purposes. First of all, we're going to set up our Bitcoin wallet, and that is very important because all of the other websites that we're going to review today are going to require a Bitcoin wallet in order for you to generate money online. This is an absolutely free piece of software that you can use wherever you live on Earth. So basically all you have to do in order to set up your wallet is simply click on get started. I'm going to click on that, enter in your credentials, your first name, last name, and so on. Make sure you have a valid email address because they are going to send you a validation link, and you also need to be at least 18 years of age in order to use that. I'm not sure whether or not they are going to verify that, but they actually need you to check this box in order to move on. And this is just the first step, guys. Once you have your Bitcoin wallet, we can start generating money. Basically, if you click on this section here in green that says get $132, let's actually click on that and see what happens. They have this very interesting feature on their website that allows you to earn money for simply learning about new cryptocurrencies that have just been launched on the market. For instance, if you start learning about this one that is called Compound, you will earn $59 in this cryptocurrency. And the list goes on because the same thing happens for this one called XLM. You will earn $50 for learning about that, and you can repeat the process for each one of them. Now, the course only takes a few minutes of your time. It is basically a video that you have to watch. You will then have to complete the questionnaire about that cryptocurrency, and you're good to go. That is how simple it is to use Coinbase in order to generate some extra cash. So all you have to do now, if you decide to give them a shot, is simply click on Start Course and watch that video, complete those courses, and that's it. Moving on to website number 2 on the list, this one is called featurepoints.com. We have reviewed it before on the channel, but this has got a very unique concept to it. Basically, you can earn rewards on your phone or the web with surveys, cashbacks, and more. So basically, you will have to complete some very simple surveys that only take you a few minutes of your time, and they are going to reward you for that. And more than that, whenever you shop at one of the stores that they have partnered up with, you are going to get a percentage of your money back. Basically, they have partners such as Gap, Walmart, Microsoft, Sephora, and so on, and you will basically get a percentage of your money back whenever you buy at one of those places. Now, they are also going to reward you for downloading apps on your phone, trying out new apps, new games, and so on. So if you're already playing video games in your spare time, why not give these guys a shot and earn some money on the side? Now, they have a system that will allow you to earn points for each task that you complete, and eventually you will be able to redeem your points for awesome rewards such as Amazon gift cards, PayPal cards, and so on. You'll have a lot of withdrawal options such as the Amazon gift cards as mentioned, PayPal, Google Play, Xbox, and most importantly, the purpose of our video today, Bitcoin. Moving on to number 3 on the list, this one is called timebox.com, and the fact that I really love about this website is that it's completely transparent with its users because it shows you exactly how much money its users are making. For instance, this guy from Poland has just made $120, this guy from Germany $104. Here's a user from Portugal that has made $90, and the list keeps on going. So that is to tell that the website is available worldwide, and it doesn't matter where you live, you can still generate some considerable amounts of money. Now, I know this is quite self-explanatory, but in order to start generating money on the website, you will have to go over to the Earn section, and this is where all of these panels will be available. So you will be able to complete surveys, you can complete tasks, sign-ups, TikTok. You have a lot of options that you can definitely take advantage of, and they only take you a few minutes. So if you have some spare time on your hand, why not give this website a shot and see how well it does for you? They also have live support, so whenever you encounter a problem, let's say that one of your withdrawals is taking too long, well, you can definitely contact their support and they are going to respond in no time. The next website I want you to connect to is called cointiply.com. And as they mentioned on their homepage, they have paid over $700,000 in free Bitcoin. Now let's see how this website works. I'm going to click on that, and basically you will have to sign up as you might expect. You will create a new account and log in order to get started. Up next, you will have to complete very simple tasks that are only going to take you a few minutes. These are not time consuming. There will basically be surveys and watching videos, maybe leaving some reviews and so on, as they mentioned here. So you will have to complete surveys every day to earn thousands of coins and watch videos as well. And eventually you will be able to convert those points into actual currency, into Bitcoin. They also have some really interesting bonuses. Basically, they have this loyalty bonus that will give you a 100% increase in profits if you log in every single day. The withdrawals also take very little time, so you won't have to wait for days in order to receive your money. They've also got this very powerful referral program that will allow you to earn 25% of the earnings of all the people you refer to the website. So if you have some friends that are interested in earning some extra cash, you might as well refer them to Countiply, or Countiply, however you want to pronounce it, and that will give you an additional 25% of their earnings. And if you decide to give these guys a shot, all you have to do is go over to their website, click on register. This will take you to a form where you can simply enter in your details, and that's it. They also make sure to provide us with some payment proof in order to let us know that these guys are legit. So if you'd like to, you can do your research on the web in some unbiased sources and see whether or not they are worth a try. Guys, as I'm filming this video, the price of Bitcoin is currently somewhere around $16,000, which is almost an all-time high. So this might be the perfect opportunity for you to start making some Bitcoin and keep it in your Bitcoin wallet just in case it gets even higher. And now last but definitely not least, this website is a freelancing one. It's called litecoin.org, and I want you to connect to it in order to earn some extra cash. A really interesting feature of this website is that it pays you in these cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. So they will not send the money straight into your PayPal account. You can keep your money into your Bitcoin wallet and wait for it to grow in price and make even more profits for you. Now, the drawback of this website is that you need to actually have a skill in order to take part in all of these projects that they have. But if you're a talented content creator or a video editor or anything of that sort, you can definitely give this one a try and earn some extra money on the side in free Bitcoin. And as you can see here, there are a multitude of different projects that you can involve yourself in, ranging in price all the way from $12 to $500 in Bitcoin. Some of them require some level of skill, such as the graphics and design and so on. Some of them don't. You can see that there is also a section called surveys, which does not require any expertise. So if you want to give it a shot, all you have to do is simply sign up for free and you're good to go.